Well, today let's look at 3 easy components to put some 12-bar blues together. So there's some very easy tricks that we can do in a matter of moments to have you playing and loving some blues. So let's look into these easy components. Now you might notice that I've slipped the word easy in a few times, and that's very deliberate because these are super easy for anybody to be able to play and jump into some fun, easy blues straight away. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. So let's now check out these 3 easy components that we can put together right now to have you playing the blues. Well, the first component is just to get our left hand going down here on C and G, and we're going to step in at the 5th and then out with the 6th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times, ins and outs there, 3 times and 4 times. Our next 2 notes are our F and C. Step out to the 6th and keep it going. Back again to the C and G, outs and ins all the way. Then our last 2 patterns are G, outs and ins, down to the F and C, outs and ins, and C, out, in, and G, and let's hold it there. So our second little component is to add some thumb notes with a flattened 7 with some right hand chords. So step down with our thumb to create a blues note there to have as part of our blues chord. So that creates our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a flattened 7 for blues to 8. So that thumb stepping down is actually helping us to play a flattened 7 there is the fast lesson. So let's do that now. So thumb, step down to our flat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. One more time. Let's step to our F, but we're going to step our thumb down to our flat 7 there. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to our C chord. So our B flat, E and G there in the right hand. Now our 7 for our G is going to be G. Step down our thumb to the white key. This time is our flattened or lowered 7th. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then step in to our E flat, A and C again. 2, 3, 4 and C chord, and then play that blues there on our G7 chord. To loop us all the way back around again, that's how our 12-bar blues can be replayed and replayed. You might notice different jazz bands or other big bands and things that you hear improvising and having solo saxes or trumpets or trombones to this sort of progression. It's very catchy and you'll really recognize it as you go around the place and listen to different music there. Now, to spice this right hand up a little bit, what we can start to do is to put some of the right hand beats on an off beat. So let's do 1, 2, 3, a 4. 1, 2, 3, a 4. We could just do some of them. 3, a 4. 1, 2, 3, a 4. 1, 2, 3, a 4. 1, 2, 3, a 4. Back to the C again. 1, 2, 3, a 4. Now G. 2, 3, a 4. 1, 2, 3, a 4. 1, 2, 3, a 4. Play that blues, or play that blues wherever you like on a F, B and D there for your right hand. Now those offbeats or syncopation just help to jazz up the sounds a little bit more and to make it that bit interesting and catchy. The offbeats kind of tend to surprise us and to draw us in and to make the music sound even more interesting. So have a play with those. So let's have a little look here at a speed session on a blues scale. If we go 1, flat 3, 4, flat 5, 5, flat 7 and 8. So they are the notes that we could do anywhere on the piano. C, E flat, F, G flat, G, B flat and C. So back to our first left hand pattern of our ins and our outs there. We could start doing walk, 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 or tars, going up and down if you like. Just matching our left hand note. So a bit of coordination there. Let's go with the right hand now. So C and up we go. Let's come all the way back down. And we could do that on any of the left-hand patterns. So have a bit of a go at that. So down again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then come back down. Just matching the rhythms there. Then when we go up to the G, we could do anything again. So let's go up high with the G then. Any of those notes will work. And then play that blues to pull it all back around with our framework there. Let's have a go now at swinging the rhythm. So instead of matching the left hand, 1, 1, 1, ones together there, or tars, you could go swinging, swinging, swinging. So to make that smooth, I'm kind of putting my thumb on the white keys, my middle finger onto the black key. And it's just stepping up and down there, sneaking under. You might notice my wrist isn't going up and down as we go there. So try and keep your wrist nice and level there. Now C, E flat, F. We could do a second finger if you wanted, but that will just help things to sound really smooth as we go along. So back to our swinging idea. Here we go. Swinging, 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 tar. Swinging, 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 tar. So once again with any of the chords. Swinging, 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 tar. Swinging, swinging, tar. And then back to our C pattern there. So if we just look at that pattern to add there with the right hand, let's go up nice and high as well and just get the hang of 2 little notes in the right hand to 1 in the left hand. So swinging. So on the ing, our right hand is playing the note alone. Swinging, 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 tar. So both, right, tar. Let's just do that a few times. So say both, right, tar. Both, right, tar. You can even just make that really separate. Make sure your body's really getting it. Both, right, tar. Do it with me. Both, right, tar. Back on the piano. Both, right, tar. Both, right, tar. On the F, both, right, tar. Back to C, both, right, tar. Now G, both, right, tar. Octave higher. And both, right, tar. And then play that blues. And onto our final step now of that swinging right hand is that we can turn that into a triplet of the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tar. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tar. And down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tar. Let's move it up the octave now. To the F, back to the C, now to the G, and then play that blues. So you can see there too that we also could then begin from halfway in the pattern. Instead of starting on a C to play our blues scale up, we could start on our G with the same notes. So keep the C blues scale notes, but we could go down and then up again from our G. We could go up from the G to the C, back down again. We can mix it all around there. Before we mix them all around though, let's practice some of those triplets combining the patterns there. So triplet, triplet, tar. Triplet, triplet, tar. Now to the F pattern. Triplet, triplet, tar. Keep going. Triplet, triplet, tar. Now to the G. Triplet, triplet, tar. The F. Triplet, triplet, tar. Then C. And then I'll play that blues. All again. Triplet, triplet, tar. Triplet, triplet, tar. Triplet, triplet, hold there, and then triplet, triplet, then so some swingings again, swinging, swinging, swinging. triplet. And there we have it, 3 very easy components that you can build on. I've got some further videos if you want to check out more details in any of those elements, then that can be really fun to go deeper as well. But today I just wanted to do the easy and get you playing some more and enjoying those blues that we all love. Happy music making. Ta-da.